and old blue jeans, chrome machines and weathered dreams. Old dogs howling down the line, chasing curves and killing time. Old man laughing, chasing the wind, free as the road, no need to pretend. We've buried brothers, felt the sting, but every mile their memories cling. Helmets bow, pipes scream the sound of the souls we carry, not in the ground, but in daylight. Riders riding for the ones who've passed away, with chrome that shines on a bright and sunny day. Ride to play, ride to feel, got our brothers back. Wheel to wheel, in every curve we find our song. Brothers in motion, riding strong. Backroads winding through southern hills, these are so loud, spirits louder still. Twisties call, we ride for the thrill. Brotherhood forged by throttle and steel. The frequent P breaks on winding paths. Brotherhood stitched into leather and laps. Mountains rise, the valleys dip, but freedom's found on every trip. No patch can tell what the bond really means. It's the silence between us and all the unseen. When you're riding that line with a man at your side, that's when you know you're truly alive. Burning daylight, riders riding for the ones who've passed away, with chrome that shines on a bright and sunny day. Ride to play, ride to feel, got our brothers back. Wheel to wheel, in every curve we find our song. Brothers in motion, riding strong. Brothers in motion, riding strong.
Hit the back roads where the trees stand tall. The sun's setting low, but we're feeling it all. Rivers winding gently like a melody in the breeze. The world falls away as we chase our dreams. Engines humming steady, rolling through the night. In the warmth of the fire, everything feels right. Let the good times roll with the wind in our souls. Through the highs and the lows, we'll find our way home. From the Smokies mist to the sunset glow, we'll ride this road till the end of the show. Strangers turn to friends, hearts are free and whole. With every mile we roll, let the good times roll. Whoa. Tunnels of the forest, shadows play on the ground, dodging roadkill potholes as the tires spin around. The mountain views are calling, whispering soft and deep. We're riding through a dream, no promises to keep. From the fall to the spring and the summer's warm light, racing down the starlight, no need to ask why. The sound of the pipes, it echoes in the dark. Every note of prayer, every rev a spark. Through the Smokies, the Ozarks, where the air is sweet. Riding side by side where the road and heart meet. In the quiet of winter or the warmth of the spring, the journey's the treasure and the ride's the thing. With every turn, with every mile we take, we're writing our story, there's no mistake. Let the good times